Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're going to show you this quick mill and Dreja espresso machine, and this is just a reminder to always purge your heat exchanger. Your heat exchanger holds approximately this much water, maybe a little bit more, about 3 ounces or so, depending on the machine. And that water gets to the temperature of the steam boiler after the machine sits. So it's always important to purge that heat exchanger. And here you can see why. The water is really hot, and sometimes the bubbles here will be even bigger, and that'll actually burn your coffee. So now it's purged. You can see because the big bubbles went away and a lot of the major steam. And so now we're ready to pour a shot. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. This one's missing a foot. I think I put a little bit too much coffee in, so it's going a little bit on the slow, it's going too slow, the shot, but I know that this is not an issue with the machine, because I pulled some other test shots, and it's just the portafilter basket on this one's really big, and I put in more than it needed. And then let's go ahead and test the hot. Let's turn it off. Test the hot water. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.